Hello and welcome to the Greenworks Garage. In this video, we will be giving you an overview of the various steps necessary for you to get up and running with your new Greenworks product. As always, we would like to thank you for being a part of the Greenworks family.
Align the ribs on the battery pack with the grooves in the battery compartment. Push the battery pack into the battery compartment until the battery pack locks into place. To start, press the lockout paddle and pull the trigger. Then push the speed switch to the desired operating speed. Position 1 is for low speed, and position 2 is for high speed. Adjust the length of the cutting line by bumping the trimmer head against the ground while it's running. This will release the line automatically, and the cutoff blade will cut the excess length.
Now that you have completed this how-to guide, you should be more familiar with your new Greenworks product. For more details and safety information, please read the owner's manual provided. If you have any other questions about this product or other Greenworks tools, be sure to check us out on our website, greenworkstools.com.